How to add multiple accounts on TikTok on same device. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the TikTok application and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, your profile over here. So simply just tap on your profile option at the bottom right corner and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now as you tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen, tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on setting and privacy, it will take us to a new page. So just scroll down to the very end and here you can see the option of switch account. So tap on switch account. And if you want to add multiple accounts, you can just tap on add account. So when you tap on add account, you can just tap and enter any of the login credentials that account that you'd want to have in TikTok. So just tap on it. And as you enter a login via Gmail or any other options over here, you'll be able to log in and have your account associated with TikTok over here. So you just have to wait for a while and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection to get this process faster. So as you do that, now you have switched and you have added multiple accounts on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.